Asking how to use legit audio from YouTube. Um, YouTube provides some audio tracks right within their player. So I'm in my YouTube account right now. If I go to the upper right here and click on my icon from my account, I go to YouTube Studio. When I click on that, it'll bring me to my channel dashboard. And over here on the left side, bottom left, you see something that says Audio Library? So I'm going to click on that. And here you go. Bunch of tracks that can be used. It says 1 through 30 of many. So you have a lot of different pages. You could break it down by genre or mood. You could also go ahead and type search or filter library, and you could even type in a specific mood or type in a specific track if there was a track you wanted. But basically what you do is say I want to hear The Spirit of Fire. I hit play, and that sounds exactly how it's described, which is ambient and calm. Also tells you how long it is over here, so sometimes that'll matter. A lot of these tracks can be kind of short, so then you would need more tracks to fill your video if they're a little bit longer. So play the track. If you like it, hit download, and that will download your audio track, put it into your download files, and then wherever it is that you're putting this video together, you could then import from that download section that you're putting your tracks into. So that's about it. No chance of getting hit up with some copyright infringements when you use this method. And I think that's a pretty decent library, so you have a lot of choices in there. So hopefully you find what you're looking for, and you can go ahead and produce your videos without getting any copyright knocks.